What's up, YouTubers? Just making a quick video here of this Dyson, I don't know, Gen 5 something cordless vacuum. Good little unit, works great. It's got a bunch of attachments and good battery, good suction. But the biggest design flaw is this container where all this stuff collects. I don't know. They put more engineering into microbe counters and different stuff than this actual container. If you look here, all the stuff we sucked up gets all jammed up at the top. I'll show you here if I switch this around. You go to dump this stuff. Some of it dumps, but look at all the stuff still jammed up in there. So do it 20 times, pump stuff out. It's disgusting. And then all this shit is still left in there. And I gotta stick my hand in there, grab it all out. It's disgusting. Maybe you're not supposed to pick up hair or something. Pretty hard, there's hair on the floor. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe someone can tell me, but for $1,300 cordless vacuum, it's a pretty big design flaw. You gotta stick your hand in and manually remove all the dirt. I don't know. Maybe someone else can tell me how to work it better, but pretty big design flaw if you ask me.